Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on waste to energy. Waste to energy is a process that turns trash into electricity. Instead of going to a landfill, trash is burned in special plants. The heat from burning trash creates steam. The steam turns turbines that generate electricity. This electricity can power homes and schools. Waste to energy helps reduce the amount of trash in landfills. It also provides a renewable source of energy. By using trash for energy, we save natural resources. It helps keep our environment cleaner and greener. Waste to energy is a smart way to use our trash. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.